Good afternoon, this is Wag Chicago. Looking at the old Jiffola peanut butter, creamy natural. Let's see what the recall shows. You all know there's a recall. It says Jif peanut butter products manufactured at a Kentucky facility have been recalled after an outbreak of Salmonella was discovered. JM Smucker Company voluntarily recalled the peanut butter, including products with lot code numbers including products with a lot code. Does that mean there's other products you didn't even show the lot number? Wizard garbage. 127-4425-2140-425. Only if the first 7 digits end with 425. So there's your first 7 digits. So it's got to end in 425 on the first 7 digits. So the end of that doesn't matter. 425. So I got a bunch of this garbage. It's gonna be, let's see, 425. First 7. 2004. That's 4 numbers. 42 would be 6 in the fifth. So 2 to 5 there. Does it end in 40? 4 4. What does it say here? Oh, I'm confused. Ends in 425. I'm a lucky winner. See how that works? I wish I could do this with the lottery tickets. See how that goes? Stand by. I'm going to go to my couple other bottles in. By the kitchen. A couple more Jifs. See how this works? Jiffy popcorn garbage or not. What number is this doohickey? Ooh. January 23. No, 425. Do you see 425? So that one might be good. And for now, let's see here. Organic chunky garbage. Let's see what this is. June of 22. That it's expired already. Anyway, or in a couple of weeks. Where's the number? There's no lot number. See, this is the garbage. This stuff I just bought it. Look at it, it's still sealed. It expired. This is like my muffins. They're already expired. There's no lot number. See how that works? That's a little suspicious. You made this without a lot number. For real? Really? Smuckers made this without a lot number. Hang on. Am I retarded? Hang on. Maybe I am. Do you guys see a lot number? Anybody see it? Raise your hand. Put in the comments if you think I missed a lot number. That's suspicious as all F. So here's an unidentified from the Deep Dumbs storage unit. There's 425, March of 23. That was a month ago. Look at this garbage. So this is all the crap they made 2 years ago. See how that works? Oh, a year ago at least. I'm guessing, and we can call and find out. Here's another bad batch. See how that works? Sorry, it's a mess, but I wasn't planning on doing this video, and I'm shopping with Wags. See how that works? There's 2 out of 3, because that one's unidentifiable. What's this garbage? Peanut. I don't even know what this is. Let's see if there's a lot number on this shit. Hang on. What do people save up for, like, prepping and all that garbage? I'm not a prep. I just know I don't want to freaking starve to death. But no lot number here either. Is there? It's not the same brand, so we'll keep that on the side. Meyer, not on the list. Let's see. Here's another organic chunky. Let's see. It's going to be unidentifiable. Watch this garbage. June 7th, 22. No ID. See how that works? You want to chance this shit? Here, you eat this Smucker's garbage that's from the tunnels. Where's that coming from where there's no ID on it? See how that works? No lot number? You can't put a lot number on it because you would get caught that you put it in storage. See how that works? Or not. It could be a dream. I'm having a dream. See how that works? What's this? Oh, Walmart. I trust this garbage. Somebody must have gifted this to me for Christmas. I don't even buy this crap there. Hang on. Because a lot of Walmart shit's got glass in it, the chicken and the undercooked meat. There's no lot number anywhere. Like, don't you have to put a lot number to, like, track inventory? No? What is this garbage? Like, how come there's no lot number on here? Am I retarded? Oh, this is getting creepy. I didn't know there was no lot numbers on this shit. See how that works? Is it up here, maybe? There's no lot number. Best by January 23. A02 colon 15. That's probably some which tunnel it came out of. This is emergency supplies when you don't have IDs. There's another Smuckers. Let's pull this fucker down. I'm getting pissed off. There's no ID on this garbage. Hang on. June of 22. Oh, that's the one I already looked at. So these are the 2 unidentifiable. And then the rest, they don't have lot numbers. Isn't that a freaking amazing? You could manufacture human food and not track them? Like, really? There's no tracking numbers. Is that ever? It's way Chicago. These fuckers hate us. Or not.